You get in your car, turn on the AC, and suddenly, a bad smell. Don't worry, we'll show you how to get rid of it quickly. But why does the air conditioner smell bad in the first place? It's usually because of bacteria, mold, or mildew growing inside. Moisture collects in the vents and doesn't dry properly, like a damp basement in the summer. First, use the air conditioner correctly. Turn it off 5 minutes before parking and just leave the fan running so the system dries. Second, check and change your cabin air filter. Do this at least once a year or every 15,000 kilometers. Third, consider an ozone treatment. It kills 99% of bacteria and neutralizes odors, available at Auto Müller. Fourth, spray a disinfectant spray into the air intake and let the fan run. But be careful, not every spray is suitable. Bonus tip. Let in some fresh air now and then, instead of always using the recirculation setting. Now you know what to do. Come to Auto Müller if you need help. Don't forget to like and subscribe.